Hello, Björn. I hope you are doing well. I was so busy, that's why I can't continue to upload the video in this channel. So yeah, when I'm free, when I have a time, I will try to upload the new video, new updated video, and you can easily to learn. Okay, so today topic is Google has new update, and we will see actually new update for new asset. Like right now, you can add in Google Ads in connect on your messenger link up for Google. So let's see how can I do this. So at the first moment, you should be go to the Google as account. This is my another client. So this is the US client. So here's the provide like e-commerce and video mix actually. So yeah, I can say actually I'm trying my best in my side. So this is my live work and we are working right now. So we will see today, because today topic is mainly focused on asset, like a new update asset. So what is the new update? Let's see. So you should be go to the asset at the first moment. I'm going to the asset. So actually, in the previous time, we can easily to collect in the lead from and previous update was like WhatsApp to easily to collect the lead also, right? So you can also Google Ads Run. When you Google Ads Run, you can also add another like three option right now available. Okay, it was actually one placement like WhatsApp, but right now if you just click the message and you just click the plus icon, then I hope you will be see some integration. So when you see, like you can see, this is the add message. At the first moment, you need to the select like account level to add this asset, campaign level to add this asset, or add group level this asset, add this asset. So I just actually prepare for campaign. So I just select the campaign, and you can select your targeted campaign. Like for example, this is my uh, B2B. Just think this is my B2B business and I need to the collect the lead also. Okay, so how can we do this? So just need to the select this one and you need to the done. Okay, then you can see here is see. I hope like set up your message asset. So actually you should be need at first which method do you want to the collect the lead, right? So you can see when I click the select message platform, then right now is three placement is available. One is the Geo and Messenger and WhatsApp. In the previous time, we can just use only WhatsApp and the new update is available for Messenger and Jello. So how can we add this asset? How can we properly set up this asset, right? So for example, you know already you know already how to set up the WhatsApp asset group. So today we will see the Messenger. So when you click the Messenger, then you will be see the short link. What is the short link? For example, I'm just click am dot me/Pappu Mollik official. Like for this is my messenger group. Like messenger, that means my page username to the create. Then you can see the when people is continue, then he will be directly go on my messenger, like my Facebook page. Okay. So just 1 minute. I'm showing this one. Like m is slash your username. Then easily to people when click this link easily to can send you the message. This is the update. Okay. Like if I want, then I can just copy this one and paste here. You have this link, so you need just use your user name. When you use this one, then you can see that will work. So then you can see the starter menu. Actually, you should be need some descript actually what service you are providing. You can like use the hook pen. What is the customer pain point? You can add this within 140 character, and then you can select your call to action like your CTA, like book, contact us, get offer. If you provide any offer, then you can use this CTA, learn more, get start, book now, this type of. Then you need to the just say, okay, then it will work fine, I hope. So you guys, if you want to use these tools, you can test actually how is provide the good result. That is the things actually I'm trying to provide the updated. So thank you so much. watching for my video. If you think it is the very important for you, then you can try to just subscribe, like, comment, and share. That's it. Thank you. See you another video. And yeah, if you need any help for Google Ads, Meta Pixel Conversion API, like web analytics service, then you can feel free just contact with me. I will try to help you my best. Thank you.